Good morning, guys. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's Friday, and if you guys watched my last videos, you know I just came from Mexico. Well, I came from Mexico since Tuesday, but I've still been in the like getting back to the groove feeling. So yeah, today I'm meeting a friend today. So today I'm meeting my friend Sabine. We're meeting up for breakfast, but I'm also shooting for her. So we're meeting up, I'm gonna shoot for her, and then we're gonna go to breakfast. We're going to RH. So I live in West Palm Beach County area, and RH is literally right down the street from me. And well, not down the street, it's like 10-15 minutes away from me. And I've always said, like, I need to go check it out, and I never go. I always feel like I need to be super cute, like I had to, you know, dress the part for RH, which I just want to be able to take content while I'm there. So like, I don't know why, but I just been putting it off for so long and I haven't gone. So today so it's actually 7:59, about to be 8. We're supposed to meet there at 9:30. So I'm gonna get on my way to getting ready, and then yeah yeah, because it's gonna take me at least a good 15-20 minutes to get there. So I need to leave the house at least by 9:15 the latest, but 9 o'clock for sure. So that gives me like an hour and 15 minutes. Well, I'm not gonna count the 15. That gives me an hour to fully get ready, put my makeup on, do my hair, put on my outfit, and get ready. So I'm gonna stop talking, get ready, and I will talk to you guys in a minute. So makeup is done, just throw on my wig. I'm running a little bit late, but I'm about to fix this wig, get it together. The best part about this hair is the fact that it is straight. So all I gotta do is like pass this iron through it and it'll be good, but I just gotta put gloss on. But my makeup is pretty much done. I do have a tutorial on how I achieve my everyday makeup look, so I will put it up here. So you guys, if you're interested, I'll put it up here so you can check it out. But yeah, let me do this hair, put on this outfit, and see you guys. It's time for me to put on my outfit, and I had a plan on wearing jeans, but I'm actually terrified to put on jeans right now because I've gained some weight. And I just know these jeans are about to hurt my feelings, and I don't have time. I don't have time. Okay. You know, I want to wear this blazer. If these pants fit, I'm having ice cream tonight. If these pants fit, I'm having ice cream tonight. Ooh, okay. We're going up. Are we zipping? Okay. Then again, I have morning body right now. This is pre-breakfast body. I might need to unbutton it, but we got them up, okay. Good. I should have ironed. Whatever, I ain't got time. Listen, nothing gas you up more than your morning body. Because my morning body is telling me I am fine right now, but I know the real truth. Oh my god. I was gonna wear another top, but this top didn't need, well, it kind of needs to be steamed, but it's not as noticeable. So we're gonna go with it because we're running out of time. Okay, so I love this. Super cute. I got on my Gucci belt, this silk top that I got from the thrift store many moons ago, and then this wide leg jeans. I've been obsessed with wide leg jeans lately. Like, I just love how they look, especially when they are like perfectly fitted for my petite body. And then I have on this blazer. I created this look while I was in Mexico, but I wasn't too in love with how it came out because the pants were too long for me. So I'm basically recreating it because I definitely want to shoot it, and I didn't get any decent pictures in Mexico. So I'm recreating it. Now I gotta figure out what shoes I'm wearing. Okay, I like this. I need to figure out how to put on my my necklace because, ooh, if I can button this, that would be cute. Is it too tight? I should have went up a size on this blazer. Ooh, this look is given. Okay, I don't know if I want it buttoned though. Leaving my house now. My friend Sabine just texted me saying she will be there at 9:40 and it's currently 9:19, so that gives me some time to relax and get myself together. For my perfume today, I am going to wear my Black Opium perfume by YSL because I rarely ever pick up this perfume, and I'm trying to get away from like only wearing one. Oh, I love this set. I have these 3 pair of pants that needs to be tailored and a pair of jeans. The dress as well. That should be tailored. So we just got done shooting. I shot 2 looks for Sabine, and now we are headed to RH for breakfast. Well, lunch now. It's 11 o'clock. So we're going there for lunch. What is this? I get distracted by the smallest thing. I'm like talking to this camera and then I notice a pimple, and then all my attention goes to that pimple and I forget what I'm saying. The gorgeous. What did you get?
I got a shaved, what was it? A
Shaved ribeye?
Shaved ribeye.
Yeah. And I got the lobster roll.
If I wanted it medium or medium.
She just assumed. I think it's like cooked all the way.
Right?
Yeah. What's up, you guys? So today is Saturday. It's Saturday and it is pretty cloudy. It's supposed to rain basically all day today, so I am going to spend this Saturday cleaning, cooking, and working. So it's just a pretty chill day. So I'm listening to my true crime podcast. I love true crime, and this is one of my favorite shows and my favorite podcasts. It's a true crime daily podcast. One that they're talking about this week is a paroled killer confesses to murdering Florida woman. Robert Durst sentenced to life in prison. Let me tell y'all something. I am sick and tired of everything that you hear in the news coming out of Florida. Like, it's just like Florida gets no break with the crazies at all. So it's very annoying, but it's Florida. Why are you calling me?
I had to call you. You had to call me.
What?
Baking cake for baby cousins so she can prepare. Baby cousin want a cake.
You know, he did, but he don't like shit. It's Bill Papa.